Hello, Dr. Miller. It's nice to meet you.
Please, call me Peter.
Okay, are you a medical doctor? It must be helpful when you sell medical equipment.
Actually, no. My doctorate was in electronic engineering, but it's still helpful for me when I sell our equipment.
Good morning, everyone. I'm happy to be here today to tell you about our new project. My name is Alessandro Rossi. I'm the project leader on the Starlight Programming Project.
Pleased to meet you. Here's my card. My real name is Megumi Tanaka, but people who are not from my country think it's difficult to say my name, so I use another name, Meg, when I'm working internationally.
Hello everyone, my name's Andre Mulligan. I'm very happy to be joining this team for the next few months and learning more about research and development.